my mental model of insurance is you have the end user, like the policyholder, and then you have like a broker between, and then you have the carriers. So on the personal line side, are brokerages just gone now that we have these web portals?
Not gone, but definitely disrupted, I would say, on the personal line side. Now that model very much so, and this is my opinion. You'll have different schools of thought on this depending on who you talk to. There's some that believe that the small commercial insurance industry, so small business insurance, is going the way of personal lines, where you're going to have that I go online and try to buy my business insurance. And then you have another group, myself included, that thinks that for small commercial or commercial insurance, it's more complex, and the needs of a business will shift as the business grows and develops. And so you will need that special touch, that knowledge base from an agent or a broker that says, I understand your insurance needs, and there's a lot out there, and you may be underinsured, or you might be missing a few key policies.